Lina was a quiet girl who lived near the mountains. Every morning she looked at the big mountain and dreamed, "One day I will reach the top." Her friends laughed. "It is too high," they said. "You are too small." But Lina didn't stop. She packed a small bag, water, bread, and her lucky scarf. She started walking. The path was hard. Her feet hurt. The wind was strong. She fell many times, but each time she stood up and said, "I will try again." She walked for hours. Then it started to rain, cold and wet. Lina sat under a tree. She wanted to go back. Then she saw a bird flying in the rain. It didn't stop. It didn't cry. It just flew. Lina smiled. "If the bird can fly, I can climb." She stood up and walked again, step by step, breath by breath. Finally, she reached the top. The sky was clear. The sun was bright. She looked down and saw her village, small, quiet, beautiful. She shouted, "I did it! I did it! I did it!" This story tells us never give up, keep climbing.